Been a long time since I did an update on this truck, so let's take a look at what's going on. So a couple of the quick issues I've been running into. My coolant tank is too far away from the radiator, and for whatever reason, when you give it throttle, it will push bubbles up through here, and it's not quite short enough to where it will draw coolant back into the engine. I haven't quite figured out where that issue is coming from yet, but I've been chasing it the whole time. As I'm sure you've noticed, there's no leaf springs under here anymore, and I'm going to go ahead and show you why. As you can see here, I have a box of link ends and a couple nice pieces of DOM tubing. So kind of in the middle of the process of putting radius arms underneath the truck, which I'm building myself. Was really tired of the ride, so it was time to upgrade. So a couple of quick notes about this conversion. I've had about 5,000 miles on it. Within the first 70 miles, I blew up the transmission because if you look at the adapter conversion video, I forgot to refill the oil in the transmission. So $800 later, I had to rebuild. A number of people say that 410s are too low for a Cummins. I would also have to agree to that. The only reason I would say that 410s are too low is this truck is really happy at about 55 miles an hour. At 65, maybe 70, it's turning 2,300 RPM. And yeah, kind of chews through fuel. In town, I get anywhere from 20 to 21 miles per gallon, and on the highway, I get 19, maybe 20, and I've checked it several times and always sets right in that area. So I wish it had 373s. It would probably be a lot better of a highway truck. But on the plus side with the 410s, I mean, this thing will pull a house, just not very quick. The only issues I've had with this conversion have been my fault. And a lot of that was chasing down coolant leaks. So once the front end is back under it, I will do probably a full video on it and go over all the things I did for the conversion. So until then, this is Cummins update number 8.